Folks, if you have a big family with a bunch of kids, that's a perfect small travel trailers behind me. It is a brand new 2026 Rockwood 17E. And this one has the expandable travel trailers with a big tent in the front and a big tent in the back. Plus you have a dinette turned to a bed. Now, why people they buy this kind of type of travel trailers? For the people who have limited space where they park the units and they want to get the maximum sleeping capacity and a lot of room and storage, that's what they buy, what's called expandable travel trailers. So as you see, it is travel trailers. It has the same amenities as travel trailers, except they add a foldable bed, which is this side, and it's easy to fold. It takes me not even 1 minute. Queen bed in the front, another bed in the back. So you sleep 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and the dinette sleep another 2. So I could sleep 5 to 6 people in this 17-foot Rockwood expandable trailer 17E. Now, they're still giving you the same amenities of the Rockwood travel trailers. First, it's 6 aluminum frame welded walls. So all this is aluminum here, aluminum this side, aluminum the back. Even the structure of the bed is aluminum frame. So there's no wood truss whatsoever in this unit. It gives you the same amenities. As you see, it has a nice, beautiful power awning with LED. Nice big window. You have outdoor grill where you could sit it here and cook. As you see, and there's the coax and 110. 6-gallon hot water heater. Torsion bar axle. It's a big deal when you have a travel trailer with a torsion bar axle. It gives you pure independent ride for you. And they give you longer warranty on it, by the way. There's even more ride step, which is we demonstrated before. This step go inside. Entry light, so you could see. They give you additional solar prep on the unit. Now, this unit come with a solar. So if the cameraman go backward a little bit further, the unit you will see probably in the other side, there's a solar panel on the roof. And we're gonna show you that solar panel to validate statement for you. So as you see, it's right here. There's a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. There's actually the max air vents with the 3 fantastic fan over the bathroom, the bigger air condition, and then the 5G Wi-Fi antenna. Giving you also 4 stabilizer jacks. So there's 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Electric tank jack on the front with a 2 propane tank, 20 pounders with the cover. Diamond plated on the front, so when you drive, it's no issue. Nice light, so you could see at night when you hitch it up. This matches our heated mattresses. Let's go inside and show you the features of this 17E. And let me prove for you how so roomy this small 17-foot trailers where you could sleep 5 to 6 people inside. As soon as you walk in, you could tell they give you a nice entry assistant handle. And again, this is fold inside. A handle with a nicer step to get in. And going over here, so you could see how beauty this travel trailers. They give you the same amenities as the Rockwood travel trailers. Beautiful dinette with a portable table, go inside, outside. This is storage underneath, storage, and then give you this lounge. Now, this become a bed. So if I drop this one down, it fold down and become whole bed. Also, if I don't want to drop bed, I'm tired, I could sit here, as you see, and put my feet and enjoy the seating. So this is the most beautiful unit. You could sit 4 in this dinette, plus, again, there's a bench. I said number 5, number 6. So easy, I could 6 people around this table and enjoy the family time. Also, this bench, I want to prove for you, it has a beautiful storage. So you could see whole front is a storage. And one thing Rockwood, they do different than any brand. Everybody know that. Even if you don't want to listen to me, get on the web and they will tell you. The structure of the dinette and the beds and the major structure inside is aluminum. So you could see it's aluminum structure. Same thing in the dinette. So that's another advantage for you on this unit. And again, when you do this trailers, you don't have that much to close. Only this bed or the bed in the back. Now, also, you don't have to open this bed or the bed in the back. If you just want to use the dinette, you can. If you want to open one side and close the side, you can. So you could see the all functionality on these trailers. Another thing nobody noticed until I pointed this to them, even it's a 17-foot travel trailer, Rockwood still giving you a ducted AC on the unit, which is some other brands, they're gonna cut corner, and what they're gonna do, one AC with a straight dump. But Rockwood, they give you a fantastic, now if you put your hand, you could feel the cold. So this is ducking. So that's mean they direct the cold air to go this way. They direct the cold air in this one. And you could see the new installation coming from it. And you could direct it anywhere you want it. It's called ducting. So or you could close this and you could let the cold air go to the back. That is a plus sign on the 17E Rockwood. Now, I'm gonna demonstrate it for 10 times. Solid aluminum truss, one-piece roof on the Rockwood 17E. Bigger air conditioner, we talk about it. Now, they give you the 5G Wi-Fi antenna, and it's on the top. We showed you outside. All you have to do, put a router and sign up with the cell phone company. They use solid wood cabinet and European hinges. So this is not a paper wrap. A lot of them in the auto industry, to cut costs, they use paper wrap cabinet. And what's happened in our lovely valley here in California, they shrink due to the heat. Now where's gonna shrink here? Nothing. Solid wood, self-closing. So these kind of features, I'm talking more features beside the floor plan. You walk in, you have a bench, you have a dinette, and also you have a solid bed here. And this one, nice big mattress. This is nice slick. We never had this before, where the bar is LED light. And there's a switch. If the cameraman turn on off, there's a switch here. You give it off, and then this is a new for 26. We never had this in 25. But this bed and the structure is on a cable. So that's even, and I could handle, everybody asked me that question, what's the weight capacity? 1,000 pounds I could put here with no problem. So 2 big adults, no problem. And this one is open, as you see. Sorry. And then this is open, as you see. And this one is open. So now imagine when you open all this stuff, look how roomy it is. Look how much bright light going inside the trailer. Look how fresh air going inside with no problem. So you bring the outside nature to the inside, but you still have the privacy. There's still fresh air coming in, but no bugs coming in. So that's the advantage of this expandable travel trailers, is give you more sleeping. It's still in a small size. It look a big trailer from the video. Look inside, it look like a big trailer, but it's a 17 foot. Why? Because when I push the bed out from the front and the back, it give it to you more open. So this is one of the, I want to keep my feet off that. Now, another features Rockwood they do is the interior light is on a dimmer. It's like a fancy unit. And they give you not one fantastic fan, they give you 2 fantastic fans. There's one here, and then there's one in the bathroom. And again, these are the extra option we do. So it has 3-speed fantastic fan and has the max air vent covers. Let's go to the kitchen now. We talk about the solid wood, and look how big. They give you a really nice QR owner manual, 800 number for complimentary 24/7 roadside assistant and troubleshooting. Nice 3-burner range. Big oven for 17 foot comparing the others. Big storage, cooking pans. Or you put the cooking pans, you put a tinsel there, silverware here. Nice, beautiful macro. Again, same stuff as the Rockwood travel trailers. And they give you the biggest refrigerator, which is the 10-point 7, and it's open both way, and it's a 12 volt, and no worries because you have a big solar system. Big closet, and again with adjustable shelf, you could hang or just full closed. Storage here, storage underneath. No, this here no storage, but here's the storage. And this storage, you could access it from outside. You see there's a door here. You could access that storage from outside or inside. Another bed in the back. Again, sleep easy, 2 people. You can see I'm trying to keep my feet up. Plug here for your phone, iPad, books, bottled water. So easy sleep, easy 5. Now, they give you a really nice TV, and the TV is in a bracket, so you could swing it if you want to see more. So here's your solar panel controller. Here's ducted AC and heating, 1 digital controller. As you see, the temperature is outside, 94. Wow, I could not believe in it. They give me a glass shower door. Glass shower door on a 17-foot. I mean, normally you have to be like a big travel trailer. So they give you very nice, roomy, handy shower with a glass shower door on a 17-foot. Normally they give you curtains, other brands. Nice skylight, the water minimizer. That's a big deal. And then nice sink. And then they give you even window in the bathroom. It's neat. Nice counter space for hair dryers, trash can, porcelain toilet, not a plastic, solid medicine cabinet. It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, they give you everything on the 17E. And what we did here at Best RV, we supported with the price. No dealers in this side of the country could come close to us. And if they can, we're going to prove for them we are the best deal for them. Come to Best RV, grab all the new changes. Grab the brand new model of 2026 Rockwood Rue 17E and put your family in this trailer and go camping.